I posted this video on TikTok and everyone has been asking for the tutorial, and here is it. So I got this hair from Amazon, then I partitioned the hair into 3 parts. Here you can see the left and the right, then at the center, and then I packed it because I wanted to weave both sides. I braided both sides of the hair, and then I got to the middle. Then I had to like part the middle. I think it was 5 or 6. When you watch the video, you would see how many parts I partitioned it into. So this is everything. I'd already braided the left side and the right side. I think I partitioned it 5 times. If you can see it, or 5 and 6, whatever you see there. That's cool. And then what I did, I now braided this middle part first without attachment. I braided it and I crocheted the attachment into till the very end. I made sure every section had, then I wove it down, and that was it. I just braided it down, and that was it. This is your Rumi hair. For every black girl, you can try this for your black daughter, because I'm sure every mommy has been hearing, "Mommy, I want Rumi hair, I want Rumi hair." So this is it for my princess.